2022 Tige 20 RZX. Tower speakers, black, gray, and red. Taps 3 system, transom stereo remote. Cup holders on the swim platform. Fuel fills on both sides. Pop-up cleats. Let's climb into the boat. In the aft part, you have two storage compartments. Pop-up tow ring for tubing. Nice, easy spot to sit to be able to put your boards on. Full sun pad. Walk-through cushion. Going inside the boat. Another non-skid step. So you're not stepping across the cushions. Moving forward, you have a spacious bow with bow filler cushion. Cup holders, speakers throughout. Towards the back of the boat, humongous arena style seating. Z-cline captain's chair with swivel and forward and backwards adjustments. Tige touchscreen with the steering wheel controls. Cell phone holder that charges. Audio system with subwoofer. This is a 13 capacity boat. Heater. 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 Huge storage. Underneath the seat, that's where your amplifiers are for the stereo system. We happen to have the board rack stored in there right now. Plenty of storage underneath the starboard side seat and a long port side seat. Access to fuel sending unit, transmission under there. Also has beach seats. I'll show you that from the back side of the boat. This boat has the Raptor 400 by Inmar, close cooling. Hard ballast tanks with plug and play, so you have storage above the hard tanks. Even has lighting in the storage compartment. Does come with a full mooring cover, which we have stowed in this compartment. Here's your beach seats. Come see this 2022 Tige 20 RZX at SkipperBuds in Madison, 608-246-2628. Always online.